안녕하세요. 저는 Jtop 곽수이고 저희 장래희망은 과학 선생님입니다. 오늘은 물질의 구성에 대해 알아보겠습니다. What are all things made of? I can answer it is made of elements. Then what is elements? Elements is a basic unit of matter and is no lump sum. So it shifted with time in the big way. In ancient scientists argued of various names on elements. First, Aristotle argued the four-circle theory. It says water, fire, soil, and air. Elements is all made of these four things, so it names four-circle theory. You need to remember it. And second, Thales. Thales says every single thing, every single element is based on water. So water is the most famous basic things, and it's the best important thing of elements. But Lavoisier was like, oh no, it's wrong with his argument because he has an experience that water is not an element. Because water is break through into hydrogen and oxygen, so it's not an element. And Boyle argued that the modern theory of the elements, so he is important people. So we can finally say these two people is not that useless, and these two guys is have an effect to in modern science. And second, we will know how to distinguish the elements. There's two ways. First, flame reaction experience. It's just have a fire on some metallic elements and has some fire. The fire has each single color, but we could only distinguish the metallic elements, so it's not useless. For example, strontium and lithium has also two of them has the same color, which is red. So we couldn't distinguish what is strontium and what is lithium. But unlike flame reaction experience, spectrum has its unique spectrum. Like when we have the sun, we have a spectrometer and it has each single spectrum. So we could distinguish every single elements. Yeah. Thank you for listening.